Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, welcome, Queen Toba, Queen Toba. Welcome, welcome. Hello, how are y'all doing? Fine, I hope. Disclaimer, I deleted this video. So what you are getting is me giving you what I can show you visibly. So let's understand this is a maintenance vlog. Let's get into it. So, of course, on September 27th, I went to see my girl at Fascinating Beauty Studios to get my lashes done, who is having a sale Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. Your lashes is $80. And she's also having a hair sale. If you in the New York City area, hit her up. Anyway, so these are my lashes. I don't know if you can tell, but those are the lashes. I got top and bottom, and then I got my eyebrows done, which was $86 plus a $10 tip. Then we went on the 28th when my husband took me out the house, and we got my nails done. And these are the girlies. And they were $200 plus a $10 tip. And I also got my pedicure, which I will show you just 1 second. Don't do too much on my feet because I clap back and he's calling me. But okay. And so my feet was 85 plus a $10 tip. So yes, I spend $410 in my monthly maintenance. Not to mention, I do a lot of my other things at home, like I'm I wax at home or I near. So I save money like that. I do my own wig install, which I will see. So this is just the beginning of my maintenance and my upkeep. So that is how I spend $410 a month on my monthly maintenance pampering me. I didn't get a facial and I didn't get a massage. I do those as treats to myself every now and then. So if you like this video, thumbs it up. I will catch you in the next one. I am so sorry it is cut so short, but I had to do what I had to do.